Hello, you guys.
Hello,
Hey,
everyone.
we got our doTERRA box yesterday, but
It was a big box.
yeah, another. If you could see all the stuff on our counter, you'd be like, what on earth?
Yeah, we use a lot of product.
We do.
And then we take advantage of all the specials during
Most
the
of the
month.
time, yeah.
Most of the time. And we also use up our extra bonus points.
Well, I don't ever want to go to zero on my bonus points,
Yeah.
so I kind of keep it so there's still some in there. So
And the other thing is that when you purchase something, they give you more bonus points.
yeah,
So,
I'm not complaining. So,
me neither.
but seriously, this goes from there to there. I don't even know where to start. So, Leon, you want to start with your stuff?
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, so I guess, I'm not sure, but I guess the LLV now comes like this, not in a box. And this is the Omega, but they gave me the Omega Plus. So maybe that's how it's coming now. I don't know.
I think so.
But you got your Omega oils, Omega Plus, and that has the wild orange in there. And then, of course, in that package, you get the Alpha CRS and also the micro VMG.
Yeah, that's the vitamins. This is the minerals.
Then minerals,
And
and then this is the omegas.
Yep.
But this is how they're coming. They don't even put it in a box anymore.
Yeah,
So
save
the-
on boxes and save on paper.
Right.
So.
The add-ons then, I was running low. I had to borrow some from Linda. So I borrowed like 3 or whatever.
Oh, I
But
borrowed some
anyway,
of yours.
I had to get some more of the collagen, the Advantage. I tell you what, you can tell the difference when you don't really use it. You're not as flexible and you just feel, kind of different. But anyway, I love using this. It's good for my body, and I know it's good for my joints and for my ligaments and all that stuff.
Hair, skin,
Hair,
nails,
skin,
collagen,
especially my
all of it.
skin,
I know.
Got to keep it baby soft, But anyway, that is that. And along with that,
Your other goodies for
yeah, I got the, along with that, I got the Advantage as one of the add-ons at a reduced price. Then I got the Mito 2 Max as a part of that. There's 3 of them that you can get. And that was at $29.50 or something like that, which is a good price. And because this right here is really good. When you take it in the morning, you get a little bit of extra throughout the day. And it's non-caffeinated.
yes.
And it doesn't have the huang or whatever it's called in there. Also, I was able to get the beadlets.
Yeah, and the
Okay,
Assist.
so I really just needed the Assist, because the Assist is, you take that when you know you're going to be having a lot of sugars and stuff like that during the day, or maybe you're going to have a couple of snacks
I'm not in
the
control.
evening. And now that the weekend for the Super Bowl, I'm pretty sure we're going to be snacking out. So I need to refill that. And along with that, you get the beadlets. That's the combo. I'm not really super low on the beadlets. I got plenty of beadlets, but hey, I always carry those in my pocket, and I pop 1 or 2 of those in there, and it really helps, give me a little extra, energy, I guess, or just.
Well, the MetaPower is super good. All of those MetaPower products, they're really good at helping with your sugars, keeping those more in check, and it really, really helps the cravings. So the beadlets are great for that as well.
So also, I was running really low. I don't use these every day, probably 3 times a week or whatever. This has the zinc and
C, the D, wait.
the C, the D,
And the zinc.
and the zinc.
And the On Guard.
And the On Guard, of
blend.
course. So it's called the On Guard Plus chewable tablets. And these are really good. And usually in the morning when I get up, I'll probably pop one of those in my mouth, and I'll have a little extra for me in the morning. So that I got, that I needed to get. And I also got some frankincense, the Boswellic acid complex. This is the dual chambered, and it's really good. And I was running really low, so I was kind of just using it once in a while. But now I've got some that I can take it regularly. It's just some good stuff for your health. And then I also got some more of the Restore Complex. And this, of course, is also a dual chamber, and it has the pro and the postbiotic in there that goes down into your
gut health,
into your gut, you know, and it helps out your flora and all that. Good stuff to have on hand. And I know with me, I have my issues are related to that. And
your issues are because you're married to me.
and then of course, I got the toothpaste. I got some toothpaste. I traded with Linda, so she gets the On Guard, and then I get the Supermint because I ran out of the Supermint. So I ordered it. But anyway, so we got some Purify.
Can I just tell you, I get a lot of stuffiness, sinus stuff that drives me crazy. So I've been using this on the bottom of my feet, just the joint, well, not the joints, but or the bottom of your toes, right there. And that or just on the toes itself, on the back, because this really helps clean stuff out. I was doing a lot of dusting the other day, and oh my gosh, it was driving me crazy. That's what I get for cleaning.
Yeah.
So it's really helpful.
I'm gonna try that too, because in the morning I got some drainage.
Yeah, but it's amazing.
Good stuff. We use it in our laundry, on our little balls.
Yep.
Also, I use it for my deodorant. It's just really good stuff. And also, I was running low on the Copaiba. Now, the Copaiba, I'm not only using it topically, like it is recommended, but I also sometimes use it as a mouth.
Like a mouthwash?
Kind of mouthwash, kind of a mouth rinse type thing, along with frankincense, and that really helps. Also, I was running low on the lemongrass. Lemongrass is also topically, it's really good for sore joints or topically for ligaments.
Good for,
and
ligaments
for when you hurt your knees or ankles or whatever. But also, I use it in my shakes, and I put like 1 or 2 drops, and that's why I was running low, because I use that internally also. So some of this stuff I did get with bonuses. Also, I did replenish my On Guard throat drops during this time. I just want to make sure I drive a school bus, and I'm always having little kids coughing out at me and on me and around me and doing things. So I want to make sure I'm, got that extra power.
Yeah.
So we did use some points, which is great, and I appreciated it.
Yep. So, when you process your order, when you're going through, just checking your order, it shows how many points you've used, if you're using points, and it also shows you how much you've earned on this order. And we come really close to being the same. We earned maybe a little bit less than we spent, but man, I'm so glad for these points. They really add up.
Yeah, when a lot of people get things at the different stores and everything, the box stores, a lot of times you don't get bonus points, and it adds up. But with doTERRA, it just seems like you get points, you use points sometimes, and we use the product because we're the product of the product, and we encourage all the people we know to do that, to be proactive with their health, to be defensive for what's going out there right now.
Yep. Okay, so along with points, so doTERRA is doing something brand new that once you get to the 30%, earning back 30% of your product in credits, then they're going to send you this, and they just started this. So since we've already been on the 30% loyalty rewards, they went ahead and added it to our order. So this is a cute little kind of a plastic bag that you can do whatever you want with it, but yeah, it just says O Rewards on it. Like I said, that's a whole new program. And there's a little card in here. It says congratulations, because when you're at 30%, now they're calling it VIP. So we are VIPs. We have been for 15 years. since we've been doing this for 16 years. But it's, you know, all plastic lined, so this is a great little handy thing to have.
Yeah, and you can use it for whatever you want to use it
Yeah,
for. Or
exactly.
oils or some of your lotions or whatever.
Yeah.
Keep things organized.
Yeah, exactly. So, let's see, where'd those scissors go? Right here. So I ordered the VMG.
Yeah, and
And
I didn't run out of mine yet because I'm going between the LLV and the
yeah,
VMG.
and I'm doing the same, but I'm getting low enough. So the VMG, this is your vitamins, minerals, and greens. That's what the, maybe,
Right.
no, that's backwards. But anyway, you get the idea, right?
Right,
So I love this stuff. It's so handy.
and it tastes good. It really does.
Yes, it does.
You just
So-
put it in your shaker cup and put that and add
Get
whatever other nutritional things you want to add to it.
Yeah.
And it just,
It's
and you can
good
sip
and
it throughout
easy.
the day if you want, or you can just guzzle it down.
I
right
just
then.
take mine and get her done.
But they're so handy and they're so good.
And it's so easy to take on a trip. These little packets, you just pour this right into your water, milk, juice, whatever I just use water. Sometimes I put it in a shake with my new, my protein shake. I love these, and like Leon said, they are really, really good. So, let's see, how does this work? Okay, so I also, because I did the VMG and the omegas, so this is the vitamins, minerals, and the greens, but this is your omegas.
Right.
So when you buy these two together, then you have the option of adding on things like Leon did with the LLV. You get things at a reduced price.
Right.
So I got Terrazyme. This is so good to help break down your food. You get the nutrients from your food. It helps just keep you regular because you're processing the food. That's really important.
It really makes a difference, especially when you have some really heavy meals late at night.
Yeah.
And you just pop some of that in your mouth, and it just kind of helps calm your stomach, and it just, you can tell it's working, and it's really, really good stuff.
Very, very good. Then I got the turmeric dual chamber capsules. You've got the powdered part of the plant, and you've got the oil from the plant. These two together make it synergistic, so it gets into your body, and it makes that delivery system work. This is really good for joints and inflammation and all those things. Super good. And I've mentioned before that I go to a holistic doctor, and he muscle tests me. I take my whole slew of stuff, and he muscle tests me, and he says, yeah, keep taking these 2 a day.
Yeah.
So I love that.
The turmeric is so good. I mean, it doesn't smell. You just take it, and it just goes right in, and it helps your body.
So those things were at a discount. And then I also got the little pixie sticks. This is the probiotic as well, the pre-probiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic.
Right.
These things are awesome. I love using them. It's just like a little pixie stick. Sorry, we always do it when the clock's gonna go off. I don't.
It's all right.
I don't pay attention, I guess. So anyway, and it's just like little beadlets, but it tastes really good. It's easy to use. Kids love these.
Right, and I put that in my shake.
Yeah, and
Or
me,
I mix it with my VMG or my collagen. I just put it in there with it.
Pour it on my tongue and let it kind of dissolve. And sometimes I do half and then another half because it is quite a bit. But they're just these little tiny micro beads that just dinky little things.
Just get good fuel for your body.
For sure.
You know, and that's what it is. It's clean fuel for your body.
Yep. Then I got the Frankincense Boswellic acid complex, whatever it's called. But hey, I got it right. And this is really good. It just came out this last convention in September. And this is great for joints, helps to regulate your inflammation. And these are really good. I've heard some great stories that people have used these, and it's really been beneficial to them and their different things that they're working on. Then see, you borrowed some of my Advantage, I borrowed some of your Recharge, because I like to keep track. I don't really care, but then I kind of know where I'm at and how much I have left.
Right.
This MetaPower, I do prefer the wild strawberry over the lemon lime, but this is such a great electrolyte drink. I've tried some others and they didn't set well on my stomach, and it gives you a little bit of energy because you're hydrated. And heaven knows, in this area where we live, you need hydration because it's very dry here. We live in a desert, and this really it packs a punch on your hydration.
Makes a big difference. I have a little
does.
can with some powder in it that Linda didn't like, and so I've been trying to work through it. So I throw it in my shake or whatever. But I tell you what, when I take one of these and put it in water, it is a big difference in the taste, the flavor.
Everything.
You just feel more full, more alert.
Yep.
Just hydrated.
Yes. And I got some of the Advantage as well. This collagen is amazing. I just talked about that a minute ago. And then I got some of the Essential Hydrating Cream. This is so good. Like I mentioned, it's super, it's super hot in the summer and very dry here. So this hydrating cream, I just put it on my face. Sometimes I use it under my makeup. Sometimes I just use it at night, but it's really, really great for your skin. So then one more thing is, because of this new rewards thing, two more things, actually, this new rewards thing. So when you order, I don't remember all the particulars, but when you order this, and I don't remember if you have to be a certain point. I don't remember. So I should have looked at that. But then there's this box, and I'm like, what in the world is this? And it's Wellness Made Simple. And what it is, because I bought that, I also got a free 5 ml of peppermint. Peppermint is cooling and energizing, all the good stuff. And if I can get this out without, well, I don't want to pick it up and show it and have it fall out. That would be my luck. This is the cutest little glass container. You only get one per account. So Leon needs his own account. No, sorry, you can't really do that. But anyway, this is perfect for shaking up your VMG. So, and it is glass, so you have to be careful with it.
You can shake up your collagen.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
in fact, you can mix the two together
if you want, and just kind of sip on it.
So, I think that's everything. Oh, no, it's not. The free oil, or the free product of the month, is MetaPower oil in the 5 ml. Great to add to your smoothies, your water. I've got another one in here, but we'll probably just put it in the kitchen by our other oils that we like to use.
Put it in our water,
Yeah.
or put it in our smoothies, our shakes.
That's good. So,
But anyway, it's good stuff. We always get tons of stuff, but we also get a lot of bonus points.
yes, but we use it, and that's the thing is, I want a good collagen anyway, so I would just as soon get it from doTERRA. I trust the science behind it. We go to convention, we listen to the science behind it and how it's different. Electrolytes is something very, very important. So I'm gonna buy it somewhere. Why not buy it from doTERRA? Like I said, we know the company, we know the owners, we trust their science and all that they learn about it and teach us about it. And the VMG, all these things have been so helpful for us. Why would I not want to order when I run out?
And we know it works, and it's good stuff.
That's right.
And so that kind of adds to the trust factor.
It does.
The honesty and the trust factor and the scientific research and stuff like that.
Absolutely.
I mean, we don't know all the details of the science, but
I don't remember
we just know it works.
Yep. And we did get one more thing. We got an empty bag. I'm not sure. But I think it just
something they forgot.
I think everything's here. I think it just slipped through the cracks. But anyway, we did get that. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching.
Okay, go tear it up.
You bet, and have a great day. Okay, see ya. Bye. Hey, I forgot to tell you something. I did get a couple of bottles of the fractionated coconut oil because I've been doing a lot of roller bottles. And I got some little pump tops to go on those because, like I said, I'm making these videos and with making these roller bottles, and this is so handy to be able to just pump that right into the bottle rather than pouring it or whatever. It's just easier. So anyway, almost forgot that. Okay, you guys, see you later. Bye.